Recycle. Recycle. I can use that to put it on the weeds. Kill them. So I can plant my garden. You know what? This is what you've been waiting for. It's that cremation chimney. Remember how you told me to cremate you? This is it, man. How many boxes? Jesus. Jesus, speaking of Jesus, I think Jesus is in the box making business now. After Easter, that's what I heard he does. He goes back to making boxes for Amazon. You think he could get a better job? I mean, I don't know. Maybe he's done everything else he likes to do. Yes, welcome. Yes, of course you can keep cold my drinks. Oh, you and I will be great friends. And when I make a fresh cilantro, cashew, garlic salad dressing, you, my friend, will keep it cold until I come back from my daily tramp in the forest. Uh-oh, tips. I don't need any more tips. The refrigerator may be inverted during delivery. Okay. Well, thank you for that information.
We'll see you again.